Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about one of the topic that is currencies and currency dependency. In this, basically, we are talking about one topic that is about the ideas and global warming. Basically. In this, we are talking about one topic that is cities creation, and in this, basically, we reached up to the word basically. From this whole world, basically, the cities are created, and this fruit basically is created on the base of these words basically. Like this, basically, things are basically connected. Like this, basically, the things are basically connected. So it's very difficult basically to create the cities also basically. That means one of the person literally asked the question, ये ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी वाले ऑक्सफोर्ड जो ग्रुप्स है, ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी ग्रुप्स, ये लोग सिटी बनाते हैं क्या? This one the person basically he was from Bangalore basically, Sanskrit person basically. He asked this thing question basically in Hindi basically. Then he translated in English also basically, because his English was also very powerful. He told that this Oxford Dictionary group basically are creating the cities or what basically. Because this was very dangerous thing basically he asked actually. Then basically few people thought basically for little, they actually thought actually what actually he asked, because they were not able to understand what actually he asked. From set from Oxford Dictionary basically, you want to say like that basically, the Oxford Dictionary group basically, that group basically were sitting there basically, 5 to 6, 7 to 8 lakh people. They are basically, you want to say, they are creating the cities basically. Then he told that might possible basically, it might possible basically, because you can't basically say that basically this is 100% correct. Always basically keep in this mind basically, possibilities are there basically. Even basically chartered accountant group basically, who are basically into the, who basically created the books basically, they also can't say that basically this problem basically which they have created in the book basically, that is 100% correct. The books creator basically, I'm telling the books who created the books, those group basically, because possibilities are very basically there. So they can say that basically like that 98% and 99% error are solved basically. 99% error basically are solved basically. So like this basically things are basically there basically. So one of the person told that basically city creation basically is very dangerous stuff basically, and that is really a dangerous stuff basically. And one of the person told that Oxford group basically are creating the city. So one of the person told that basically Oxford groups basically are trying to solve the 20% error, or basically what, or they only generated the 20% error as per the city creation basically. They were not able to adjust the words basically. Due to that basically the 20% error basically generated. That also somebody told basically, but that was fact basically. That was fact basically. Then one of the person told that in front of the world basically, sorry, in front of the India basically, that is Mumbai city basically, who is actually generating the words basically, sorry, generating the cities basically, and on the base of this words basically they are generating the cities basically. So one of the person told that this Oxford group basically are generating the cities, and they basically are telling that basically if anybody says wrong to Oxford group basically, they tracks in the environment and they basically damage the body parts also. That also basically few people say told basically, because they have the full control of each and every city basically. That's why. So this was actually the very dangerous word basically, which was told by that Sanskrit person basically, and he was basically having good knowledge of English also basically. So that was actually the very dangerous question basically, which was actually asked. And then one of the person told that basically it might possible, but how basically you can say that basically this many words, for example these words basically city, there are 5 crore words basically which is created, right, by the Oxford group basically. On the 5 crore words basically you are adjusting in the city basically, that's very difficult actually. So for that basically one of the person told that statistic basically is there na basically, statistic is there basically, statistic subject basically is created by the mathematician basically. One of the mathematician is created the statistic subject basically, that is 100% sure basically. So first basically mathematics created, after that only basically the statistic has created basically. It's not like that basically the statistic created first and then basically mathematics. So statistic is there na basically. So he told that basically yes, yeah basically. That means one of the person told that to create the city energy basically, to create the city energy, one person told that the chartered accountant groups basically are used or what basically. Or basically he told that basically in Oxford group basically set of chartered accountant groups basically are sitting or basically what. Or he told that basically is basically the Oxford dictionary is equal to nuclear power company and power company and energy company, because it's connecting to the energy first, then basically it's connecting to the chartered accountant, this all basically thing. Then he told that might possible basically, but you can't say 100% basically. It might possible only basically we can tell. One person told that this is 100% correct here, but that basically 100% possibility is not there basically. So one of the person told that might possible that basically set of words basically, or basically it might possible that basically the set of words basically somebody say that basically this word is okay and we will design this word basically, and this word is okay, we will design the word basically. Then he told that okay basically we will design the word and we will tell you nuclear power company, energy company and power company to design this word in the environment basically, and according to that basically we will create the city. Then one of the person told that basically this also possibilities are there basically, and this basically only professor groups are there basically, and in this basically the professor groups are there basically, and the universities basically are there, the professor groups in the which basically are sitting in the university basically, they are basically there, and few freelancer basically are basically there who are basically doing the part-time university job basically, that they basically visits the university, they are very highly qualified people basically, they also basically might possible that they also help into this word creation subject. This basically converted into one subject basically, word creation subject basically. So that was very dangerous topic basically it's connected to. Then basically one of the people told that yes here you told 100% correct, 20 percentage error is there in education. After this topic basically when he watched this entire video basically, that time basically he told that error hai basically, error is there basically in 20 to 20 percentage error basically is there in education basically side. So we should solve basically this problem. For that basically lots of people says that basically we are creating the cities basically so that basically it can adjust the wording basically. Like this also basically we are telling, lots of people are telling that we are doing the lava blast in the sea also basically. On the base of that also lots of cities are basically getting created, and we are doing lots of things basically to solve this 20 percentage error basically. So like this in next video basically we are going to see how basically the software industry are basically helping in this error solving topic.